The first thing you're gonna have to do is go to the phone app, and you're gonna have to press the following: star hash 06 hash. This way you will find the phone imei number. This is a 15-digit number which will pop up on your screen. So make sure you write down this number, as we will use it in the next step. Okay, so now that we are on our computer, you have to log into the website, and once you're there, you're gonna have to provide some information about your phones. Look for the exact model you're trying to unlock. Then the imei number, this is the 15-digit number that we found out on the previous step. Then you have to enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code, as well as the instructions. You should be receiving an email to the email that you provided, something like this. And here you can see detailed step-by-step instructions of how to insert your unlock code. There you go. Go back to your phone and you have to turn it off. Okay, now that I go in, it should automatically ask me for the unlock code, and there you go, you can see it. In here is where I should enter the unlock code I received in the email. So let's go ahead and enter the unlock code correctly. Make sure you don't make any mistakes here. And after we are done entering the unlock code, you just have to press the unlock key. Okay, let's go ahead and press it. I should get a confirmation message right now. And there you go. The unlock has been successful.